Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to reset system settings on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here we have to tap on additional settings. Now let's scroll down and find backup and reset option and click on erase all data. And as you can see here, we've got three options to choose from, but let's stick with the first one. It's reset system settings only. Let's tap on it. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. Now let's tap on reset system settings only, and your device is asking you again if you're really sure that you want to reset system settings. Let's tap on it, and now let's wait. And as you can see, system settings have been restored successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.